myself Risha, and today I will tell you a story named The List of Fools. This is the story of Akbar and Birbal, and it is a funny story, also a very interesting story. Hope it will make you laugh, and hope it will look to you a little interesting. So let's start our story. So let's start a story. Once upon a time, King Akbar asked Birbal, "There are many intelligent people in our court, but I want to meet the persons who are fools. So I command you to go and find 6 fools for me." Birbal said, "Okay, Your Majesty, I will go and find the 6 fools in 5 days only." The king said, "Okay, then you must leave quickly because 5 days end." After that, Birbal set off with his white horse to find fools. He went searching and searching and searching, but he did not find any until he came across a man who was sitting on his horse. Birbal asked the man, "Hey, what is your name and what are you doing?" The man said, "Oh, my name is Raghav. The horse is too tired, so what I did is I put the heavy loads on my head and sat on it, so the weight is a little lighter." Don't you think the weight is little heavy after he sat on it? So Birbal found his first fool. After some time, Birbal said, "Okay, then you must come to me. The king wants to meet you." Then the man said, "Okay, I am along." Then both of them went until they came across another man who was again searching for something under this tree. Then Birbal asked the man, "Hey, what is your name and what are you searching for?" The man said, "Oh, my name is Raman. I had bought a very special ring which has fell under this tree, and I am searching in this tree so that it is easier for me to find it." I don't think so. He did it right. So Birbal found his second fool. Birbal said, "Okay, then I will help you, sir, for searching it, but the king was saying that he will give you his ring, so you get an even more special ring." The man said, "Oh, yay! I am ready to go with you." Then the 3 of them went to find more fools. They went until they came across 2 men who were fighting. Dhim. Birbal asked the man, "Hey, why are you fighting?" One of the men named Raghu said, "Oh, King Birbal, my brother is saying that when the god will come down, he will ask for a lion and I a cow. He is saying that he will kill my cow with its lion and the god really will come down." I do not think so God will ever come down. So Birbal found 2 more fools because God do never come down. So in total, Birbal found 4 fools. 5 days ended, but Birbal only found 4. Where are the rest 2? So Birbal took all the 4 fools which he had found and went in the court. After some time, Akbar asked Birbal, "But Birbal, I told you to get 6. Where are the rest 2? Birbal said, "Your Majesty, the rest 2 are in the court only." Akbar was looking here and there, but he didn't find any. After some time, Akbar said, "Oh Birbal, please tell the answer. I do not see any fool around here." Birbal said, "Okay, the first fool who is in the court is myself." Akbar was so shocked that how could you be the fool? Then after some seconds, Birbal told, because he went searching for them. And the second fool who is in the court is you, Your Majesty. Again Akbar was shocked that how can I become the fool as I am the king? Then Birbal told, because you wanted to meet them. So Akbar was so happy, he clapped his hands and laughed. Ha 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 ha, and gave Birbal many gifts. After that, King Akbar also gifted the 4 fools. Him a ring, him some coins, these 2 also some coins, and Birbal many coins. So the story ends here, and now let's go to the question answer session. So today's question is, who invented computers? Think, tell. The answer is Charles Babbage. He invented computers. And also I have a craft. I did it in my Facebook live session, and now I will just cut that clip from there and paste it in the YouTube so that all of you can make it. It's very easy. I have made it with a color pencil. It's not necessary to you that you also have to make with a color sheet only. You can also make with a rough sheet. Okay, so don't forget to follow my Facebook page also. It's named Kids Roma, and do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Till then, bye, take care. Now let's go to our craft. Hope you all are ready with your origami sheet of paper. Hope you all are ready with your square size of paper. Also pencil and erasers. Okay, so let's start our craft today. First, we will take a square sheet of paper. Okay. Now we will do the square sheet of paper like this in a diamond shape. After that, no, I have not written this story, but I have read this story before. After that, wait a minute. Yes. Here you go, our diamond. This was the square sheet of paper. After that, we did it like this into a diamond sheet of paper. After that, hold the corner and this corner, then fold it till this corner. You will see what I made after I will done this. I will do it. Then do the same part with the other half of the diamond sheet, of the square sheet, sorry. Then you found a triangle below. So what you have to do with the triangle is you have to just pull it upwards like this. It was downwards, just pull it upwards. Now where the triangle ends, just put a finger over there, and the top half of that, this top one, just fold it upwards the triangle. You got two triangles in here, two triangles here and here. But how did you get it? You put a finger where the triangle ends, then the upper half you just fold it down. Easy step, right? After that only you got two triangles. Now what we have to do with the triangle is, it looks like a boat, but it is not a boat. We will pull the triangles one by one like this. Like this. See, it was here, it was open. Now take it like this and fold it like this. Do the same part with the second half of the triangle like this, and you got a shape like this. So now the second step is optional. If you want that your doll should stand, then you can do it. Just fold this, like a fan fold you do. Just the little part that's left below, it was like this, right? You just fold this part backwards. Here, it was there like this. After that, you got a front look like this. Okay, and now we are going to make the face. For the face, as I told you, you need a pencil and an eraser. So let's do it. Here I grab a pencil. Now we'll draw eyes. Here's the eye. Here's another eye. Now the nose, the smiley. She's laughing. Time for the hair now. Color the hair. Done. Okay. And this is what you got after doing everything. You made eyes, you made nose, you made a mouth, you made a hair. So let me introduce her. This is a Japanese doll, and hope you like the craft also. And bye bye.